Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see paneer ke kheer, or you can say it is cottage cheese pudding. This is one of the most famous dessert of Orissa again. For this recipe you need very less time, very less ingredient, and it's very easy to make. So let's start. Here I am going to take 1.5 liter of milk. I'll wait till it starts boiling, then I'll add 2 tablespoons of vinegar in it to make the paneer. Take a big pot so that when the milk will start boiling, it should not spill out. And after it starts boiling, you add the vinegar. Here the milk has started boiling, so I am going to add vinegar. After adding vinegar, just mix it well in all milk and wait for 2 minutes so that the paneer will get separated from the water. Now you can see under the paneer there is clear water. So now it is done. We'll take a cheesecloth and we'll strain the paneer. For this dessert we need very soft paneer, so for that we'll not squeeze the paneer too much so that it will be very hard after that. And after straining the paneer, just add 2-3 cups of cold water on top of it so that you can easily squeeze it out. Otherwise it will be too hot to squeeze it, and just squeeze it little bit. We are not going to take out all the water like we make rasgulla or anything. Just squeeze it little bit. If you keep some water in paneer, the paneer will be soft. So now I have squeezed it and we'll keep it to cool down completely. After this we'll start boiling the milk for kheer. We'll take another pot. First of all, I'll make sugar caramel here. Sugar caramel is optional. Just for color I am making the caramel. You can add turmeric at the end, or you can add food color also. But if you are making sugar caramel, first of all add 1/4 cup of water to this. Do not add milk directly to the sugar caramel, otherwise milk will burn. After adding water, add 750 ml of milk to this and boil it till it comes half of the original quantity. That means if you are taking 750 ml or 800 ml of milk, boil it till it comes to 400 ml of milk. Or you can take evaporated milk and condensed milk so that it will take less time for you. Here I am going to boil it on low heat for another 25 to 30 minutes so that it will be little thick and the color will come. After 25 minutes you can see the milk is in half of the original quantity, and now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. This dessert doesn't take too much of sugar. If you keep it lower side it will taste good. And then 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and some dry fruits. If you want you can add some saffrons also, or sometimes I add pineapple essence also. That gives a different taste. So mix it well and wait till sugar is melted nicely, and then we'll add our paneer. In this dessert you should not boil the milk after adding paneer. So switch off the burner, wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then add the paneer, or else you can add immediately switching off the burner, but you should not boil it after adding the paneer. Sometimes you are going to spoil the dessert, so make sure you are not boiling after adding the paneer. So now I have added the paneer. Just mix it well. Now I added 1/4 teaspoon of pineapple essence I add it most of the time to give a different taste. You can add pineapple essence if you have, otherwise you can add saffron essence also. Now you can see my dessert is ready. This is a very quick and easy recipe to follow. You can serve it either hot or cold. Both ways it tastes good. So try this recipe and let me know how it came out. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell button to get notified whenever I upload the new videos. Every Thursday you will get new recipe, so do not forget to follow my channel. Thank you for watching.